Hey, what up guys, how's it going? I got something kind of cool here. Oh yeah, really quick, if you're gonna buy a Tesla Model X, Model S, or Performance Model 3, please use my referral code and get free unlimited supercharging right down there in the description. And yeah, that's for you. Yeah, I got something cool here. Really excited. Came in the mail today. This is my Jeda wireless pad for the Tesla Model 3. For those of you that don't know, or for those of you that have a Model 3, you know, you're probably wishing it had wireless Qi charging inside. It would be nice to take your smartphone, place it in the Model 3, and wirelessly let it charge. Unfortunately, it did not come that way, but our great friends over there at Jeda Wireless have solved that problem for us. Also, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. That's right, for who? For you. Yeah, I'm gonna be giving away one of these, so please watch the end of the video after the installation in my car, and I will let you know the quick and easy steps you need to do to maybe get one. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna unbox it really quick so you can see everything it came with, then we're gonna go down in the car, install it in Pegasus, and then you're gonna find out how to get one of these for free because I'm giving one away. Because I'm super cool. I'm a nice guy, yeah. Laters. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. And what I like about this is it's a quick, easy install. Should take you about 3 minutes to install it at the most. And you can charge your smartphone, whether it be an iPhone or Android, and you can have both at one time. So for you and your passenger, you're all good to go. So got my trusty box cutter here. You can see their website right there, getjeda.com. Pretty cool. Let's open this up. And one thing that I always say for companies is to never underestimate the packaging, because the packaging is pretty cool. It's all about presentation. All right, let's open this up. And voila. Okay, they have some pretty cool decals for you here. Okay, and then this card here, and it's a quick 4-step installation guide. Really simple, really easy, but we'll go down there and do it. Place your finger here and lift up. Okay, and here are your 2 micro USB cables right here. And those will plug in right there. We'll go ahead and run these USB cables under the center console towards the most forward in the car. Got those here, your 2 cables. And then they have a nice thank you here. They hope you enjoy it and all that stuff. And then they also give you a coupon code, but that is covered because I don't want you guys taking my coupon code. Anyways, let's go down to Pegasus and install this really quick. All right, let's go ahead and install this in Pegasus. Okay, so here we are in Pegasus. Let's move this part down, this up, lift this up, and we'll slide this to the left, revealing your cables there. So whichever ones are there, if you have any there, go ahead and remove these. Take this pad up because you'll no longer be using that one. You'll be using the super cool one. Okay. Take this one out. And go ahead and pull those on out. Okay. Okay. But it's a lot easier. So your 2 micro USBs, take the new pad and right on the back here, we're gonna go ahead and plug them in. One, 2. Okay, and also on the back, there's like little adhesive sticky feet. Go ahead and peel the plastic off each one. That way it will stick and not slide around on you in the car. So yeah, you just kind of lift up and peel that off the back. And then we'll go ahead and put it in place. We're gonna try to get those lined up with the 2 holes right there. See that? That way when we close it, it'll go right in there. So, let's put the bottom lip on. And that just goes here. Slide to the right. Okay, got the wireless pad in place. Let's go ahead and 1, 2, plug those in. How hard was that? Okay, so let's go ahead and try it out. I'll put my phone here. And there you go, you hear it's charging just fine. So that is it. It is that simple. Only takes a couple of minutes and you're rocking and rolling with the sticky pads under. The sticky feet, if you will. There's no sliding around. Now, truth be told, I have been using this for the past week and it is phenomenal. The wife loves it as well. We put both of our phones there. You just set it and forget it. No plugging in cords, nothing getting tangled up. It's neat, it's clean, and it looks like the car came this way. I'm a big fan of devices or modifications or something to a car that you can't tell it's there. And that's what Jeda Wireless has created here. So not too bad. So yeah, go to getjeda.com as you see on the screen there, or a link is below. And also here's a better look. If you can't quite see, I got my shop light in here. And the phone is charging just fine. Okay, let's find out about that giveaway info. Okay, the rules to get one of these, very, very simple. All you have to do, 2 things. 1, be a subscriber. 2, comment below saying that you would like to win one of these. And I will pick someone out of the comment section that is a subscriber, and you will get one of these shipped to you free of charge. Don't worry about it. I will take care of all of it. So yeah, you will get one of these. You can put this in your nice Model 3 or give it to a gift for someone that has a Model 3. That's a pretty nice gift, right? I'm pretty sure she or he will be pleasantly surprised. So yeah, thanks for watching, and laters.